My dog's name is Rondo.
You're cute.
But he's
really
cute. He's really like, you can just pick him up. You can't really pick up Hoover. My dog's name is Hoover. Hoover is really cute. He has little floppy ears and soft fur on his face and just these big eyes that just cut ya.
Hoover doesn't necessarily like Rondo.
Rondo follows him around.
Hoover, what are you doing?
Doesn't even pay attention to Rondo.
But that doesn't seem to throw Rondo at all.
I feel like Rondo, you can just sense his personality more because we communicate.
You know what? One thing about Hoover is that he will never turn down anybody for a suckle session.
Look at this haircut.
Like if there's an open lap, he'll, hop on it. I think the main thing that differs between them is the dependence. Because Hoover can do things on his own. I don't think Rondo could make it up Mount Maddie or in a car for an extended period of time, really.
He hates being alone.
Pampered. He is like, held at the table and carried up the stairs.
Really? Wow.
Can't get up the stairs. We've worked on that. He used to not be able to get up the stairs, but he can get up the stairs now, okay? Rondo doesn't have a very large vocabulary. I think the 3 main words that he knows are crate.
Is it your crate?
Because he sleeps in a crate, leash, and cheats.
I mean, I don't think they're both like super smart dogs.
I do.
But a lot of
I think everyone thinks their dog is stupid because they think that everything that they do just goes right over their dog's head. But it doesn't. At all. Your dog knows so much more about you than you think.
I think Hoover's smart, but I don't think he's like devising some scheme or something.
But I didn't say that.
Well,
So cats are
he's
good.
not.